Cooking with Rosie.
Today we're gonna make a spinach and cheese frittata. So let me just go over what we're gonna need. You're gonna need 8 eggs, sausage, cheese, green onions, and arugula, and we have some ricotta. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna whisk our eggs, but first we're gonna season it with a little salt. Maybe, I don't know, about 2 teaspoons or so. Some fresh cracked black pepper. We're gonna whisk it together. So now our eggs are whisked together. Okay. And then we're gonna saute our vegetables and then add them to the frittata. So we're gonna start off with a little olive oil in the pan, like so. And then we're gonna add the sausage, the green onions. We're gonna get that started, stir that up. And now we're gonna add our arugula to our frittata. And we're just gonna stir that in until the arugula starts to wilt a little bit. Okay, it smells so delicious. You hear that? This is really good. This is great. You can make this ahead of time and just warm it up. You can also store it in the refrigerator. You can make it a day ahead and just rewarm it. And you can add different things to it. You can add bell peppers. You can take the meat out. You can even put potatoes in here if you like. You can add white onions, green onions, red onions. It's really up to you. So now this is looking really good. We're gonna take this off the stove and then we're gonna add this to our 8 eggs along with the cheese. Like that. Now I'm gonna add the egg mixture to the pan, like that. Gonna add our cheese. Then I'm gonna add a couple of dollops of ricotta. Turn off and now it's ready for the oven. So now it's ready to put in the oven. We'll come back when it's done. So here is our frittata, fresh out the oven. So now we're just gonna take a spatula, scoop around, okay? And unveil it. Isn't that beautiful? All right, so let's try it. This looks so delicious. That's good. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you take time to make this beautiful, delicious frittata for your friends and family.